And we'll come back to these later on. But first, let's look at Mr. Webb. And to begin with, I'd like to put Mr. Webb in context. Again, this is a unique Muslim community, the Muslims of America. Why? Well, the first reason that I would give is what I'm going to show you. That we didn't happen yesterday. Mr. Webb was actively involved in Islam and profoundly committed to Islam in the 1890s and until he died in 1916. But before Mr. Webb, there is a legacy also. So this is the first thing, because religion, to be effective and dynamic, requires a number of things. But one of the things that it requires is continuity and community. And these are two fundamentals of culture. You've got to have continuity. In other words, you've got to feel that you belong. You've got to have roots. You've got to feel that you're rooted, that you have tradition, and especially that you belong here. If you are a Muslim American, then you've got to feel that you have roots here. That, for example, when I look at the Sears Tower in Chicago, what do I think of? What do you think of? Fazl Rahman Khan, right? This is what you, because he is one of the greatest architects of the modern age, and he is the architect of this beautiful building on the Chicago skyline. And then you've got the Hancock Center. Who built the Hancock Center? Fazl Rahman Khan. So we've got to know that. You see, that's so I belong. If I'm in Chicago and I look every day at the Sears Tower and the Hancock Center, I'm proud of the fact that we built that. And there are a lot of other things that we'll look at. But you've got to have continuity. And Mr. Webb is part of our continuity. And then also you have to have community. And community has got to have culture. It's got to have culture.